Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. So today I would like to present our proposed project with the title Oil Viscosity Analysis for Food Security and Safety for Malaysia Grand Invention Expo 2023. Okay, let me start with the introduction of our member. So this project was led by Muhammad Nur Amir Cik Hamid from Ben R student from our faculty FTKEK, and with me Nick Muhammad Zarifi Hashim. So first, V.O.A-4-F.S.S is launched and initiated as alternative to investigate the cooking oil usage, time and frequency for home usage, and even at the stall for investigating the oil from the perspective of bahagian keselamatan dan kualiti makanan. So the cooking oil usage reflected to the how cardiometabolic disease has been affected and spread in the worldwide or even in the Malaysian perspective. So by using this proposed product, basically we try to do the investigation from how many times cooking oil been used from manually by naked eye to a smart system by using our proposed apps. So at first, let me introduce you how the apps operates by using a mobile. First, we can just take a photo from the top, so then we submit, and this will be 2 times usage, and even though there's different angles, so there will be 2 times usage of the oil we can see. So this particular proposed project is a simple self-analysis, so whereby we can use anywhere that we like, at home, stall, and even anywhere. And this particular product is accurate, so because this oil has been used for 2 times, low cost, with apps, and reliable. In terms of originality of the invention based on the tangible properties, so this classification task for the cooking oil usage application has been developed by the cellphone apps, is showing the reliability with usage of the various angle that we have. So imagine that this will be the side view, top view, 45 degree, this is 60 degree, and this one is 75 degrees. So the angles happen to investigate it at the 2 times accurately. So speaking of the intangible properties, so we have published the food related paper in Google Scholar, and we have won the gold medal and 3rd place for system engineering category in Innotech, organized by our faculty. And after we won the products, basically we went to BKKM, bahagian keselamatan kualiti makanan at Perak, and presented and do our demo for this product in front of the 65 food security and safety officers from Perak. Okay, regarding to the originality of our product, so basically we have find and do analysis in Google Scholar, Google, Microsoft Bing, Yahoo, and DuckDuckGo. So no work has been done yet by using the terms of cooking oil usage classification. And speaking of the copyright and intellectual properties, so we have applied our copyright to our CIC in UTM to get approval in order to have the copyright. So applicability of the proposed product. So basically before we started the product, we did the survey, market survey from nearly to 40 people, obviously housewife, female. So from that particular survey, we find out that the 82.5% majority of them using the palm oil as the cooking purposes, and majority of them said that 2 or 3 times will be properly to use the cooking oil. So afterwards, after we did design and done our prototype, so basically we do a qualitative survey from different 35 females after showing the sample images in the survey. So basically AI has been overtake the human capability, because the question in the survey has been set by the frequency of the cooking oil usage, 1 time, 2 time, 3 times. So we can take a look at here. The 2 times and 3 times is basically oppositely estimated by human eye, whereby we can say this particular project is reliable via the usage of the neural network, and we completed the grading system successfully by the apps, and we also wanted to publish our first complete datasets. So we now at TRL number 6 based on the MOSTI, and we started our prototype as TRL3 by looking up to the 3 class for all the oil, and jumping to TRL4 for 4 classes of the oil. TRL5 we enlarge the dataset, and finally we test our post product to the BKKM as TRL number 6. So we plan to sell our product approximately 30,000 to BKKM, including the copyright properties, VOA, the apps itself, and R&D costs. So currently we have the letter of intent by BKKM Perak stated that we have the collaboration of developing cooking oil usage frequency classification via digital image technique. So regarding to the comparison with and without, so basically we complete the manual grading as 90% based on the observation and also the implementation of the product. So we have a low cost one, 105 ringgit for the total cost, and this app will be easy to use by only a newbie. So this is the costing and selling. So we just used 105 ringgit in that particular product. So we try to sell this product product in the small scale via the F.S.S 40 USD or RM200. So speaking of the impact of individual, society and nation, this product provides a further knowledge to a group member to embark into a larger product scale than V.O.A-4-F.S.S in the future. So we also provide the solution to minimize the product cost for the food and beverage. Not to forget, we try to help the government to boost the agriculture and food income via IR 4.0 and rise up the Malaysian income capital. So last but not least is the impact and uses toward the future application. So in our plan perspective, we try to develop the cloud computing and IoT system for this particular V.O.A-4-F.S in order to monitor the cooking oil usage during the inspection. So whereby we may use the blockchain and IoT and so on in order to make sure that the security of the judgment of the apps and via the human eye is simultaneously. I thank you for watching this video, and if you guys have any problem, please ask to Nick Zarifi at utem.edu.my, and thank you. Okay, thank you guys for watching NMZH channel. Hopefully you can get knowledge and benefit from the videos. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.